Okay, all you beautiful people, what's going on, man? What's going on, guys? This is me, Marlon Bennett from the realcashapp.com. And guys, I want to talk about Cash App. I want to talk about Cash App for a lot of reasons, but I want to talk about how you can make money online and how to make money using Cash App, right? Um, Cash App, everybody knows about Cash App. It's a great app to have, and so we want to have as many ways uh, that's available to us as we could possibly think of to be able to transact, to be able to move money from one place to another. And in years of old, and I say years of old, I mean even as little as 5 years ago, payment processors were hard to come by. They weren't, and the ones that weren't hard to come by cost an arm and a leg. And now, thanks to apps like the Cash App, you could transact and do business, um, quite a bit of business, by the way, and particularly for well, specifically for the countries that accept Cash App, and it's a lot of guys. And Cash App is huge, so I want to talk about Cash App in two aspects. I want to talk about Cash App in the aspect of affiliate marketing. I want to talk about Cash App with direct sales. I want to talk about Cash App uh, in terms of making extra income working from home online. Because when you think about Cash App and making money as an affiliate marketer, and when you think about using Cash App to make money working from home online, even with your own personal products and services, and when you think about using Cash App, right, to transact with any type of business that you want to conduct online, guys, it's just a great place to be, right? Now, if you don't have Cash App, guys, you know that it really doesn't matter. I pretty much got funnel systems for almost anything, but I love the Cash App, and this is a way to make money just paid directly to you. Now, when you're marketing online, guys, you have a product and you have to have a service, okay, to be a legitimate business online, and you can't sell anything, believe it or not. I mean, you could have something to sell, but it need to be legal, okay. And so, Cash App in and of itself is a great product to have and own. It would be smart to have that app, right? And now, thanks to the Cash App Extractor, guys, you can make money with your Cash App. And so, the way that I set up the Cash App Extractor, I'm really, really excited about it. This is probably, I'm going to say the fifth or sixth version of me experimenting with Cash App and building my own Cash App funnel. And look, here's the good news. You can do the exact same thing, right? Or you just want to make sure that you have something of real value, a real product or service attached to the payments that you're going to be requesting through the Cash App, right? So in this instance, guys, right, what we're doing inside of the Cash App Extractor is we are selling, right? Or should I say, we are unlocking an affiliate marketing vault, and we're unlocking a marketing system. So the product inside of the Cash App Extractor is a marketing system, and you're paying the person that sends you to the Cash App Extractor for that marketing system. That's what you're paying for. That's the product. And inside of the product, inside of the Cash App Extractor, we talk about that. We talk about Cash App. We talk about how cool it is to be able to transact using the Cash App. When my daughter was a teenager, I sent her money all the time. My son is almost 37, and I still send him money all the time using the Cash App, guys. It's very convenient. But now we're talking about making money with your Cash App. We're talking about doing it from home, and this is what the Cash App Extractor is all about. And I told you guys I was updating all of the funnels because I'm adding the new training inside of all the funnels. That means when you unlock the Cash App Extractor or any of the funnels inside of the viral vending machine umbrella, you get everything that you need. And we're going to go through what you need on this page, and I might even make this page, at least I have at least 2 funnels for everything. I may very well make this the page that you guys will share. But I have quite a few of them, and so you guys are coming through. You have seen different versions. You know how to request the version of your Cash App Extractor, which I actually manually code and load for everybody coming into the Extractor. And so, of course, I'm excited about it. So let's talk a little bit about what the Cash App Extractor can do for you. Okay. Number one, when you come into the Cash App Extractor, guys, it's because someone invited you to this page, if it wasn't myself. And you're going to pay myself or whoever invited you to this page $10. Right? Because you want the funnel. Because they want the funnel. Right? That's the product. We're going to build you a funnel for $10. Well, it's going to actually be about $12. I think it's a $2 lifetime hosting fee, but whatever. So now that you've done that, guys, if you have the Cash App and you pay your sponsor the $10 through this funnel, then you are 90% ready to go. Because what's going to happen after that is you're going to have an option. Whether or not you want to join the person that invited you into this funnel, do you want to add an additional income stream to your funnel? If you do, click here and join your inviter's primary affiliate offer. Once you click this button, you'll see your inviter's primary affiliate offer. If it's one that interests you, join it. If it's not, don't worry about it, guys, because when we get down to me coding and loading this page for you, you can replace it with your own favorite affiliate offer, okay? You can do that. So this button will become your button. So now you have two income streams inside of the funnel that you're going to pay for, and you're going to pay $12, $10 to your inviter, and $2 for the lifetime hosting of the page. So now there's two income streams. Here's what's inside of your Cash App Extractor. Guys, I got images, right? And so, because I'm going to move some of this wording out, right? But I got social media images you can post to your social media, right? Cool little images, right? Now, here's what I really like that I did. Guys, I probably uploaded about, wow, I'm going to say about 6-7 videos. They're generic, universal videos on the Cash App Extractor. And you guys can post these on your Facebook timeline or in Facebook groups, on your YouTube channel. It doesn't matter. They're generic and they point all prospects back to you. Like this video. We're pointing all these videos back to your inviter, whoever your inviter is. Okay, so you get all these bonus videos as well. Now, when we get down here, guys, you guys know, or if you don't know, I've been experimenting a lot with faceless AI video creation. Now, I have about 2 or 3 different softwares that I use for videos that I create. But to be really honest, some of them are a little more complex than this one. This is the simplest one of all. Can I do a little bit more with the other ones? Yeah, I'm playing around with them now, guys, trying to get myself acclimated with them. You know, they all cool video creation softwares, but this by far is the simplest and easiest. Now, what do I like about this video, this software, guys? If you guys have been on a channel, you've seen videos like this, because a lot of people are using this software. So I can program this software. It's just like, well, you can actually use ChatGPT to do it. You can use a sales page from your favorite, the text from your favorite video sales page. Just go right onto your sales page, take the text, pop it into the software, and the software will auto-generate an AI video for you. And they are no longer than 90 seconds, which is great because this software also not only auto creates, but it also auto schedules and auto posts the videos that you create based on what you program it to do to your TikTok channel, to your YouTube channel, or to your Instagram channel. Now, you may be saying, I want to do my own videos. That's cool too. Right? But in the interim and in the meantime, you can also create yourself some cool faceless AI videos that takes milliseconds to create. And it auto posts on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. I love it. Okay? Okay, so next, we got how to build an email subscribers list, guys. Remember? So a lot of times we get involved in these business opportunities, and nobody talks about the list building aspect. Or a lot of people don't talk about the list building aspect, but the list building aspect is the front door to your business, right? And so we talk about list building in this video. And then what I do, guys, is we go on, because once you start talking about list building, obviously you are going to be talking about traffic. And so we got the Facebook groups in there, over 600 of them, by the way. There's your login start page Rolodex, right? Great for posting ads and login start page. That's really great. We got the Craigslist auto poster, and then we got the free leads lead funnel builder. And this is for people who, if you're not building a list already, you're going to want to start building one as an affiliate marketer, as an email marketer, as a person in direct sales, even for your MLM or your network marketing deal, guys. The best way to build your business is to be able to build your list. So you can also pick up the free leads lead funnel builder here. And of course, right, I have some traffic sources locked into the page, right? We have the actual playlist, right, where this video will be going, and you'll find it. If you click over, it'll take you over to the actual playlist, right? Very cool, very convenient. You guys can go right through there. And then, of course, I got some great traffic sources that I locked in. But the free training is the newest addition to the Cash App Extractor. Or should I say the revised training, because the training was there all along. I've been revising it. I want to show it to you guys real quick, because it doesn't matter what you want to market and promote, because I have that universal list building training inside of the new Leads Lead Capture Page Club. And for all my Cash App extractors, I have a Cash App. There's one of the Cash App Extractor lead capture pages. I had two. I think I got the other one in here. Well, maybe I don't. But if, you can actually make any of these pages a lead capture page to promote the Cash App Extractor, right? You can create your own lead capture page to create the Cash App Extractor. I got more of them. You guys can actually ask me. I had them both in here. I think I moved things around. But this one will work just fine, okay? Because this Cash App Extractor lead capture page can take your prospects to this actual Cash App Extractor bridge page. And inside of the training, I show you guys how to set all this up. Like I do with every training, like I do with every funnel system that I build. Now, I'm going to close this video out by saying this. Two things. Well, three. Number one, the fastest, the easiest way, the best way to make money working from home online is to build your own email subscribers list, right? In order to do that, you have to have either some free or paid advertising. And if it's free, it better be good free advertising, right? Because free advertising, it just has a tendency of taking a little bit longer, in my experience, than paid advertising. All paid advertising does not have to break the bank. But know that if you can build your own email subscribers list and you follow the instructions inside of the Cash App Extractor or any of my funnels, you can build your own automated list building, marketing, and sales funnels. And you can do them because I show you how you do them, and I've moved products and services in every one of my file vending machine funnel systems, and they all pretty much built the same way. They come with all these bonuses you guys can lock into, and if there's an affiliate component tied into that bonus, guess what, guys? It can become your link. All you have to do is let me know, because when you get down to the very bottom, you're just going to contact me according to this information, or it doesn't matter who sent you to this page. And I'm going to build this page out for you. And I'm going to code it and load it with any affiliate link. And it's only a few affiliate links in here in the Cash App Extractor. You got bonus income streams. Let's go over that one more time so you guys can understand. There's your Cash App. There's your primary affiliate offer. And when you get down here, should you join the traffic, Frank Anders buys clicks, that link will become yours as well. And we got some co-op advertising over here, which I really like. That will become your affiliate link as well. And then you're off to the races. You're talking about 4 income streams built into your Cash App Extractor. You got all types of images and videos that you can share with other people. You got the Facebook groups. You got the video creation software, which I'm absolutely loving. All of those things are commissionable. And let me see, let me go back to that for a second. I thought I had that out. Oh, there it goes, right there. Okay, so I got it. That's the Faces video software. That's another income stream. So I think it's 5 income streams all together built in. They're not going to break the bank. And that's how the Cash App Extractor works. It is a product. The product that you purchased from the person that sent you to this page, if it was not me, is your own Cash App Extractor funnel with built-in training, with built-in advertising, and everything you need to go out and not only market and promote the Cash App Extractor, but to market and promote anything you want. And that's thanks to the newest addition to all of the funnels, which is the new Leads Capture Page Club. Because I don't care what you want to market and promote, you can market and promote any of it. And this page, just like all the pages and all of the funnels, can become your page. So when people click here, they'll be joining you in Leads Lead, not me. Whoever sent you to this page, you'll get all this training. And it's a lot of great training. I can tell you, I spent years and years and years and years trying to do things opposite of this. And I wasted a lot of time and even more money. So the best way to make money working from home online is to have yourself a product or service that you can move through building your own email subscribers list. And the Cash App Extractor, just like any of the other funnels that you will find inside of my file vending machine, will do that for you. Thanks so much for sitting on the video. Get back to the person that sent you to this video and let's get you Cash App Extracting. I'll see you guys on the next video.